Hey, welcome back to RamZland. Today I want to show you how to build Newton's cannon. Check this out. All I'm using to make my cannon are some firecrackers, some M1000s, scissors to cut my pop cans, this will serve as the barrel of the cannon, and a hammer. The first step is to take one empty pop can, flip it over, and use a bit that's about the same diameter as a firecracker and tap a hole with your hammer right in the center of the pop can. Once you've tapped the hole, measure so that the firecracker will fit all the way in the hole as snug as possible so there's very little openings for air to escape. The next step is to use your scissors to cut off just the mouth of the can. Make sure when you trim your can it's as even as possible so it'll stand upright. So it looks like this. Next, take your second can, this is going to serve as the barrel, and add just a little bit of water in it so when you lower the can, it's going to be airtight. That way, when you have the charge explode, the thermal expansion won't have anywhere to go without pushing the can upward in the air. Okay, so now we're ready to test our cannon. Here we go. So what's going on in this demonstration illustrates Newton's third law of motion, which states that every action has an opposite and equal reaction. So when you detonate that firecracker in the pop can, it causes thermal expansion, which results in air molecules rapidly spreading apart. And if your cannon has a little bit of water in it, those air molecules have nowhere to go except by propelling the can up out of the barrel. And that's what causes the cannon to launch the pop can into the air. I hope you enjoyed today's edition of RamZland, and I'll see you next time. If you enjoyed this presentation, be sure to remember to like and subscribe.